to the Mema show. Today we are going to be talking about tattoos and piercings with Jill and Melissa.
Hi. The word tattoo comes from the Tahitian word tata, which means to mark. A tattoo is a form of body art. They were found in Egyptian and Nubian mummies, dating back to 2000 BC. They then later were rediscovered by Europeans when they came into contact with Polynesians and American Indians through their explorations.
How did piercings originate?
Piercings originated approximately 5,000 years ago during 1500 BC in ancient Egypt. The first piercing is documented was nose piercing. Later mummies have been discovered with earrings.
What did they use for ink back then?
Back then, there were two types of tools: a small rake-like shaped tool and plain rod with a flat surface. The rake-shaped tool was used to be the design, and it would be dipped into ink or dye and punctured into the skin with the flat tool.
What do they use for ink now?
The tools for the ink now are tattoo guns. They are machines used electromagnetic coils to move an amateur bar up and down. Connected to the amateur bar is bared needle groupings that are pushed into the ink through.
What layer of the skin holds the ink?
The layer of the skin that holds the tattoo and makes it visible is the epidermis and dermis.
Melissa, what are the most common types of piercings?
The most common type of piercings are the lower earlobe. Most girls get their ears pierced at a very early age, mainly when they are newborns. Boys, on the other hand, try to get their ears pierced when they are an early teen. Ear piercings is the least painful and most common in our society.
Do both tattoo specialists and piercing specialists have to have a license?
Before you can work as a piercing and tattoo specialist, you need to acquire training and education. Most people like to use online coursework because it is quicker and less time-consuming.
The online courses gives you proper training to earn your certificate. However, each state and county has different guidelines as far as what it takes to become a professional tattoo artist and body piercer.
Are there possible health risks that come along with piercings or tattoos?
Today, tattooing and body piercings are a very common trend. These procedures, though, can increase risk of contracting a number of serious blood-borne diseases.
Your skin and mucous membranes in the mouth and nose protect you from many infections. Both tattooing and piercing procedures involve piercing the skin or mucous membrane with a needle or other sharp instrument. Unless the needle or sharp object is a new and sterilized instrument, it can be contaminated or infected with blood or bodily fluid of another person. Many viruses and bacteria can get into your body and bloodstream. Some of them are hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV, AIDS, and herpes.
What are the laws in New York State regarding age restrictions for both tattoos and piercings?
If you are under the age of 18 and you want a tattoo or piercing, you must have an adult over the age of 18 to sign and approve of your action. If you are above the age of 18, you have the right to legally get a tattoo or pierce yourself.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.